लुमिनिस ग्रैंड होटल रीओपन हो चुकी है सारे सैनिटाइजेशन के बाद और गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइंस के साथ। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, ग्रैंड होटल हाई हाइजीन और क्वालिटी के लिए जाना जाता है। कोविड-19 के जो नए प्रिकॉशंस हैं वो ऑलरेडी फॉलो करती आ रही है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ थोड़े नए एसओपीज उसमें ऐड हो चुके हैं। गवर्नमेंट के सारे गाइडलाइंस की नोटिस होटल के बाहर लगी है। कस्टमर एंटर करने के बाद उन्हें हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज़ करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है और साथ ही साथ उनकी थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग की जा रही है। अगर कस्टमर बोर्डिंग एंड लॉजिंग यूज़ करना चाह रहा है तो उसकी सारी ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री ली जा रही है। कस्टमर का सुबह और शाम का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन किया जा रहा है रजिस्टर में। फूड सर्विस की अगर हम बात करें तो लोगों को रूम के अंदर ही फूड फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड की जा रही है। सारे प्रिकॉशंस मेंटेन किए जा रहे हैं फूड सर्विस की हद तक। सर्विस बॉय फेस मास्क और ग्लव्स पहन के ही फूड सर्व कर रहा है। अब आते हैं रेस्टोरेंट की ओर। सारा स्टाफ और क्रू मेंबर्स सभी फेस मास्क लगा रहे हैं और ग्लव्स पहने हैं। टेबल का अरेंजमेंट भी इस तरह से किया गया है ताकि गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइंस और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म्स फॉलो हों। एक और स्पेशल बात जो ग्रैंड होटल के अंदर नजर आएंगी वो है डिस्पोजेबल मेन्यू, यानी कि हर कस्टमर के लिए मेन्यू अलग है। जैसे ही कस्टमर मेन्यू यूज करेगा उस मेन्यू को डिस्पोज किया जाएगा।
This is one of the hotel which we started with that motto only. Since the starting of in hotel, we just kept it in that standards only. All the standards are maintained: cleanliness, hygiene, customer care, and everything we taken care of. Because of that, this hotel has been attracted by and all the main politicians, higher officers, higher authorities, district level officers, everybody was actually in. They have come, they have stayed in this hotel, they have enjoyed food and everything is. But difference is only after COVID-19 is because some extra guidelines has been given to us actually. Apart from the maintaining hygiene and all those things, they have given some guidelines like wearing mask, sanitization, proper sanitization, and also with thermal जो है ना temperature maintenance and all those things. These are some few guidelines which are actually new to everybody. Actually, every country it was new. For us also it is new actually. That's actually when the customer comes, actually we ask them to sanitize themselves, hand sanitization, and we compulsory ask them to wear the mask, number 2, and also they give the complete details of their actually arrival and from there where they are arriving and what is there, all those things wearing. Afterwards our staff will check the thermal temperature. We have maintained a register. We will take the morning temperature and evening temperature, both the temperature. Even if they are staying in the room also, our boy will go and check the temperature in the evening also. Till he stays here, we will completely taking care of. If anything like he is developing some temperature or something like this in future like this, definitely we will immediately inform the concerned authorities actually. All the restaurant guests, lodging guests, we are sending their food. We are taking order by phone, by our phone, telephonic order, and we are sending the food to their rooms only. Because they should not come into the restaurant and have some crowd and all those things. To avoid all those things, we are not asking them to come and dine here. They can dine in their respective rooms only. For since 3 months we have suffered a lot because of this COVID-19. Not only we, complete country, complete world is suffering this one, and we pray for the God that we will be come out with this as early as possible. I will request them actually to maintain this. You take this COVID-19 in your life and maintain hygiene, maintain mask, all those things which is prescribed in the form, and we have completely sanitized and everything, whatever the precautions are there we have taken. Without any fear you can come, have a dine with us, and you can come to our restaurant, you can come and stay in our rooms, and we will take care of you completely, whatever is possible from us.
तो विजिट करें ग्रैंड होटल टू टेस्ट हाई क्वालिटी फूड with safety precautions.